आज की जो हमारी नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटर हैं वो है कांता। और कांता जो हम लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करने वाली बहुत ही अच्छा और इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है, केमिकल बॉन्डिंग। केमिकल बॉन्डिंग के बगैर जर्नली हम चीज डिस्कस ही नहीं कर सकते अगर ईमानदारी से देखा जाए तो, क्योंकि जब तक आपको पता ना चले कि किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल में किसी कंपाउंड किस तरह की बॉन्डिंग है, हम उसकी प्रॉपर्टी को एक्सप्लेन ही नहीं कर सकते। और सबसे बड़ी बात है, बेसिक कंसेप्ट है आपका ये, बेसिक कंसेप्ट। आप चाहे ऑर्गेनिक पढ़ लो, आप चाहे इनऑर्गेनिक पढ़ लो, आप चाहे फिजिकल पढ़ लो, कहीं ना कहीं बॉन्डिंग के बारे में जरूर पढ़ना पड़ता है। विदाउट बॉन्डिंग पढ़े आप केमिस्ट्री पढ़ ही नहीं सकते। तो बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक है, चलिए चलते हैं कांता के पास, देखते हैं वो हमें केमिकल बॉन्डिंग में क्या हमारे साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हैं। Now, Beta Kanta, you can proceed with your presentation.
Okay, sir. Good morning to all students and my dear Sandeep, sir. Today my presentation of topic is chemical bonding. I am Kanta from BSc System Section A. And first of all, we will discuss about chemical bonding. Contents is there. And first of all, we will discuss about your introduction, then definition, then type of chemical bonding. Type of chemical bonding, they have four type of chemical bonding, that is ionic bonding, hydrogen bonding, metallic bonding, and also covalent bonding. First, what is a chemical bonding? Chemical bonding क्या होता है? Any of the interaction that account for the association of atom into molecule, ions, crystal, and their stable species that make up the familiar substance of the everyday world. When atoms approach one another, their nuclei and electron interact and tend to distribute themselves in space in such a way that the total energy is lower than it would be in an alternative arrangement. Definition of chemical bonding. केमिकल बॉन्डिंग क्या होता है? हमारे पास एक तरह का मतलब इंटरेक्शन होती है बिटवीन एटम, आयन और मॉलिक्यूल की, जो फॉर्मेशन करवाते हैं केमिकल कंपाउंड्स के जरिए। फिर हम बात करते हैं टाइप ऑफ केमिकल बॉन्डिंग की। केमिकल बॉन्डिंग जो वो चार तरह की होती है: आयनिक बॉन्डिंग, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, कोवलेंट एंड मेटालिक। First of all, we discuss about ionic bonding. Ionic bonding is a complete transfer of valence electron between atoms. It is a type of chemical bond that generates two opposite charge ions. In ionic bond, the metal loses electron to become a positive charge cation, whereas the non-metal accepts those electron to become property of the property of ionic compound. Ionic bonding from ionic compound, it's transfer of electron between valence shell of atom. Third of is ionic compound are made of ions. And the fourth is ionic compound are called salt or crystal. And fifth is it's always form between metal and non-metal. Then हमारे पास आता है covalent bonding. Covalent bonding is a chemical bonding that involve the sharing of electron pair between atom. These electron pair are known as shear pair or bonding pair, and the stable balance of attractive and repulsive force between atom. When they share electron, it's known as a covalent bonding. Then we will discuss about the property of covalent bonding. First of all, pair of electron are shared between non-metal atom, and electronegativity difference is greater than 2.0. Third is forms polyatomic ions. Then we will discuss about a hydrogen bonding. The definition of hydrogen bonding is a chemical bond between the hydrogen atom and the electronegativity atom. This example of hydrogen bonding is water molecule bonding together in a form of ice. Then we will discuss about a property of hydrogen bonding. First of all, property is solubility. Lower alcohol are soluble in water because of the hydrogen bonding which can take place between water and alcohol molecule. And the second is volatile, or as a compound involving hydrogen bonding between different molecules have a higher boiling point, so they are less volatile. Then I will discuss about metallic bonding. Metallic bonding form that hold atom together in a metallic substance. Such a solid consists of closely packed atom. In most cases, the outermost electron shell of each of the metal atom overlap with a large number of neighboring atoms. Then we discuss about the property of metallic bonding. Metals are luster, malleable, ductile, good conductor of heat and electricity. And other properties are that is a valency. Valency means a metal typical have 1 to 3 electron in the outermost shell of an electron. And conduction. Conduction means a metal are good conductors because they have free electron. And thanks you for listening to my presentation.
थैंक यू वेरी मच बेटा कांता, बहुत अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन आपकी, बहुत अच्छे से आपने काम किया, वेरी गुड, थैंक यू वेरी मच बेटा।
थैंक यू सर।